all the documents you can download. They're yours to keep. You know, as long as we're in business, which I hope is years and years and years and decades, you will have access to that program. I always suggest that people download all the information as they're going through the course, just in case there's some sort of computer glitch, or we host this on a third-party site because it's already, the design is already built out, and so if something was to happen to that, you know, we keep records of that. But just to make it easier, we tell you download all the stuff. But you know, you have access to the program in its entirety forever.
I still have my downloaded trainings from
the old way back
I don't know how many
day.
years ago. Yeah, I still watch them, still look at them at least once a year, just to, again, you never know when you look through them, you may find that one thing that you missed or didn't make sense before, you know, as you grow as a trader. Wait a minute, Akil mentioned this. I didn't really know what that was back then, but now it makes sense. So it's yours to keep, and my advice is you want to keep reviewing that on a regular basis. Continue that education.
Question is, are we going to need the chat program for the 12-week program? No, you don't have to have it. Like I said, that we give you all the information in the 12-week program. Everything else that we give you is bonus. Everything else we give you is designed to help inundate you as much as you want to be involved. Like some of you guys, like I said before, some of you guys, literally, you'll be on the chat every single day. You will be in the live room every single day. You will be at every event and every private client group.
Emails.
Yeah, and you'll just be, you will not be able to get enough, and you will be, just involved with everything. And some people will be like, well, I'll catch the recording. Yeah, I can't be in the live room, and that's not really my thing because I'm really more of a swing trader, so the live trading room deal is not really something that is as beneficial to me, but I really like the private client group. And I watch the recording of that because I have to be at work when it's on. And then I ask my questions and submit my feedback that way. So some of you guys will want to be on that because you'll be actively engaged in the market every single day. Some of you guys, that won't fit into your trade plan, or that won't fit into your trade style and your lifestyle, and that's okay.
It's like a buffet of information. Take what you want. Choose what you want to.
That's right.
It's all out there for you.
There is no other program in the world. This is a pretty declarative statement. There is no other program in the world that I know of that has this amount of information available to you for this long at any price. Yeah. I mean, we're talking like guys pay $25,000 for programs that are not half this good. And that is all I have to say about that. Let me see. Did I miss any questions? Scroll back up. If not, we can take a look at another site. Can you comment, crab and butterfly patterns, are they as good as Gartley's or not so much? I'll tell you what, when you come into the program and you learn how to back test, you can back test it for yourself.
Doesn't matter what we tell you.
I'm not going to give you the answers, okay? I'm telling you, I've told you about a couple of the patterns to share with you so that you can see it work. There's a reason that I show you guys the Gartley pattern so that you guys can go out and look at it. I knew what you guys were going to do. Some of you guys were going to go home and you were going to test it to see how it worked. You were going to check me and check Akil to make sure that we were being honest with you and that we were on the level. And we are. So,
got to do your own work.
I hope you never stop teaching. You're an inspiration. Thank you very much. That's nice. It's very difficult to find a rose among all the thorns out there. Yeah, and again, we want to be the standard. My goal, it was kind of funny, I know people laughed at me when I was in my basement and I was trading and I decided that I was going to start this education company, and I told Todd, I said, I want to build the biggest and the best education company in the world. I said, I want to be the standard that everybody else measures themselves against. Everything that we do has to be exceptional, from the course content to the amount of, the amount of community that we create, to the support people that we have. Everything has to be better than anybody else. And we are succeeding at that. And people who come through our program can attest to that.
Yeah, they see that.